So what's going on YouTube? This is your boy, the Plus MM with some sauce. Shoot. So today I'm gonna be reacting to this song. This song was trending on TikTok, so I'm gonna be reacting on it. The name of the song, the artist called Ulazi. The name of the song called Yeah Yeah. Shoot. Let's get into it. This song is too much. It's too much. Here sorry about that. Just giving the sauce. Just giving you a little bit of it. So this is the end of the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please. Thank you.